Welcome to Geometry CST release question number 75. It says in the figure below, sine of A is 0.7. And we're trying to figure out what is the length of AC. So we're talking about this angle right here, and we're saying that the sine of A is 0.7. So think back to SOHCAHTOA. We just did this in the previous problem, but I'll write it down here again. So SOHCAHTOA, we've got sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So what this is saying is that the sine of A, we don't know what that degree measure is, but we know the sine of A is 0.7. So I can say the sine of A, I know, would be opposite over hypotenuse. I don't know what this side length is, so I'm going to call it x. Instead of AC, I'll just use one letter. So I know the sine of A would be opposite over hypotenuse, so it would be 21 over x. And x is equal to AC, or x is equal to the length of AC. So I'm going to say something like that, but we would just say that without the segment mark above it if we're going to say the AC by itself, or the length of AC. And so from there, let's plug in what we know sine of A equals. I know that sine of A is 0.7, so I can replace sine of A with 0.7. From here, I could write this as a fraction. I could cross multiply, and I would have 0.7 would equal 21. Then I could divide both sides by 0.7, and that would cancel here and here. X would then be dividing by 0.7 is not really easy to do, but you could move the decimal place one spot in both. You can multiply both the top and the bottom by 10. So that would be the same thing as saying 210, it's like filling in a 0 right there, over 7. And 21 over 7 is 3, so 210 over 7 would be 30. So our answer for this one, for 75, should be choice C.